What's going on, guys? We're doing another opening today. We got 6 Lost Origin packs. We're gonna open those up, see how things go, see if we can go after this Giratina, the alt art. Pulled probably every card from the set except for that card. I mean, if we don't get it, I got a lot more packs. We'll do more openings. I got a lot more cases. As always, you guys get the code cards. Fire Energy, Cascoon, Damage Pump, Litleo, Ghastly, Ducklet, Zora, Monocle, a Growlithe, and a Mr. Mime. See, pack number 2. Let's see if we can get some of these packs are hard to open. See if we can pull anything. Oh, here's a good code card. Here's Water Energy, Toolbox, Arc Phone, a Phantom, Sudowoodo, a Bronzer, Electrolyte, Ghastly, a Goomy, and a good, decent cards. Nothing to write home about, but decent. We got 4 more packs we're gonna open up today. I might do a couple YouTube shorts later. Do a couple packs. Cold card. Electric Energy, Dottler, a Seadra, a Seviper, a Goomy, a Bronzer, a Snover, a Jinx, an Inkay, a Porygon Z, into a Pidgeot V. It's a really nice Pidgeot card. I love that card. And we got their penny sleeves. Put that right there for now. First pull. See if we can get a few more. I feel like when I started opening cards, the sets used to be easier to get the packs open. Here's your code card. Grass Energy, a Skunkfish, a Box of Disaster, a Slowgo, an Electrolyte, a Murkrow, a Shuppet, a Wurmple, Tynamo, the Radiant Gardevoir. I like that card. I think that's a pretty cool card for a rare. And a Malmar. Okay, we got 2 more packs. Let's see if we can get anything. Hope everyone's having a good day. Having a good Tuesday today. Another code card. If you guys want more code cards, I got thousands of them. Just leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know. Follow my Twitter and stuff, and we'll just get you some code cards sent out. Fighting Energy, Thornton Trainer card, a Bronzer, Coreless Experiment, Electrolyte, a Ghastly, a Binnacle, Murkrow, Wurmple, a Carbink, and okay, a Spectra. I mean, I don't really like the card. I never was a fan, but some people like it. I pulled that card a lot, so I'm sick of it. Another black code card. Forward to the front. I thought I messed up for a second. Fighting Energy, a Dottler, Cedra, a Seviper, a Paris, an Inkay, Bascoon, a Phantom, a Full Art Charizard. I love this card. I think this is one of the coolest cards, and we got something else behind it. And that makes sense, because why wouldn't I not pull a Gastria after the Spectrier? That makes more sense. So I'm glad we pulled another Charizard. This video gets 100 likes, I'll give this card away. I pulled a couple of them. I'll give this one away if somebody needs it. Alright, and that's all we got for today. We'll do more pulls later on this week. Like, subscribe, comment. I will see you guys next time. Peace.